Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, September 19th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Breakfast on the central office menu says today will be cinnamon roll, sausage link, fruit and juice. It also says for lunch we will be having pork patty or a roast, collard greens, black-eyed peas, cornbread, Rice Krispie treat, and fruit or juice. Today's weather, high of 93, low of 68. We have only a 6% chance of rain, and it should be sunny, hot and sunny. Today's announcements, please post your attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades, please print weekly grade books for each course to keep an updated electronic copy each week just in case. We have definitely needed these here recently, so make sure you've got them. Please continue sending the envelopes with prize codes to the office in the snack bag. Prizes will be delivered soon. Today's late duty is Miss Wilborn, tomorrow Gardner, Wednesday Lee, Thursday Clark, and Friday Miss Blankenship. Important dates. Always lots of things going on around here. September 21st, we have Fall Makeup Picture Day. September 27th, we have PST and we have Remy's for teacher lunch. September 30th is a Feel Good Friday. October 3rd, we will have our Environmental Center presentation for 2nd and 3rd grades. I believe those times are going to be 9 o'clock and maybe 9:55, so both in the morning. October 6th is going to be a United Way Out of Uniform Day for $2 donation to support United Way. October 7th is end of the first quarter. October 10th, we have no school, teacher work day. October 11th, second quarter begins. October 14th, we have a 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through 21st is our book fair. Also on the 17th, we'll have the Red Cross Blood Mobile here, and on the 21st, we'll have Kona Ice here as well. October 24th through 28th will be Red Ribbon Week. For our birthdays today, unfortunately, we have no student birthdays. Hope our birthday friends from the weekend had a great time celebrating. Also, you can still send just your questions for question of the day. You will place those in the question jar in the library. So something that you've been wondering about, go ahead and put that in the question of the day jar, and we will start working on those. Also, we would like to send a congratulations to Miss Reynolds on her engagement this weekend. So now she has a brand new fiance. Congratulations to Miss Reynolds. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.